Ay, sige.
Jaguar shoe type.
Matagal na kayo dito, ma'am?
Yes po.
Yan.
May
Alas.
All kinds of shoes and sandals are sale. Cap and jersey shorts, apparel. Located at Magic Mall Tayug, Pangasinan. All of that are 50% sale. Original and legit authentic. Nike, Adidas, Converse, Jordan, Crocs. Look at that Nike Converse. Adidas. They have also a New Balance shoes. Look at that, how authentic the shoes they have. It's the first time here at Pangasinan. Original and 50% sale compared to the other store. NBA jersey and shorts. If you buy 2 shoes, get 1 free Nike shoe. Or if you buy 1 shoe, get 1 free cap.
Ito yung new arrival niya.
yes po. KD15. Halos mga bago na yun po.
Ay, mga bago.
Wala na yung mga dati na maubos eh.
Visit us store at Jaguar Shoe
Jaguar.
at Magic Mall Tayug, Pangasinan. Thank you for watching.
Yes po.
Yan.
May
Alas. Matagal na kayo dito, ma'am?
yes po.
Yan.
May
Alas.